guys, welcome back to KellyMtn.Outdoors. We're heading out this evening. Laura just hopped off. Oh.
Mom, did you forget I was on the back?
See if our way down here to the neighbor's house to hopefully get on this bear. We got 3 dogs that haven't ran, and then Wyatt's gonna put on with us, right? Yeah. I know it's been what, 15 minutes since the bear came here? Maybe something. So yeah. We'll see if we can get on her or not. We got the 4-wheeler, Luke has it. Dad has his Jeep. 4-wheeler's just for backup, just in case we need it. But anyways, we'll wrap y'all here just a second. Okay, so we're pulling up here to the house. We'll see what we do in just a second. He's going to show us where the bear ran through. And then, yeah, we'll get back with y'all.
Is he right on the edge of your grass?
Well, where it's water break. Yeah. He was up there after he was that long way, he went off sight of it.
He went right hand.
I lost sight of him that way, but he's going to be right.
Okay. Let me sidewalk. Sassy's 100 and something yards.
Y'all seen, we got on him. They're running pretty good so far. We're just gonna watch what happens. Yeah.
My cat and all that.
Hey guys, so they popped up tree for just a second and then spun out of there.
I know, they did a little, one of these little
We're just
things.
watching them right now. They're kind of heading for the
spun
other
out.
release, for one of the releases. Wyatt's heading up there right now to see if he can maybe get the other dogs in with him.
Now, you could hopefully get those other dogs in if you were
Yeah. So,
I don't even know, buddy. My GPS just stopped working. My thing broke, my cable. You mean your long range? Yeah. Oh, you got a short one there, right? No, that was my good one. That one broke.
Bear, get in the seat.
Where do you want your ramp?
Guess.
Keep going out of the angle. I'd say that they're right over the top of it.
We're gonna head towards Wyatt. It's 9 o'clock right now.
Yeah, we know it.
I'm thinking they caught it there.
They may have just treed.
They're just true.
And forward.
Second, see if they stay there. Right now I've got Remy, Sassy, and Grizz showing tree.
I have them all showing tree too. We shall see what happens.
If they do, you want to go in up there and Hawk had to come up that way too. See, they already
So they're
treated.
treated.
That's a pretty good size.
That's just GPS's, I guarantee. I think
They
they're
just
tree,
hanging
guys.
out there behind Leroy's.
We're gonna see.
Didn't hardly go anywhere, probably, be my
We'll head
guess.
into the tree here in just a minute. Here comes Luke right now, I think. Yeah. So we're heading into the tree right now, guys. It didn't take very long.
First night hunt of the year.
First night hunt in years, actually, not just of the year. In years. Yeah. So I have a terrible light. Wyatt has a decent, good light. I have a good light. Luke will be in here in a minute. I'm like, it's pretty dark out here.
Yeah.
All right. Luke caught up to us, guys. Yeah, we walked this.
Yes, sir.
As soon as I came in, I thought it was you.
It's okay, guys. It's okay. We're almost to the dogs. I can see the light, Luke, right there. Alright. We're almost there. My light's terrible, so I can't see anything. that he was talking to us, he accidentally hit the radio. Crazy situation. The bear came down, tried to come down on us twice, but then he actually came down and ran away before anybody else got in here. It's me, Wyatt, Laura, and Luke were in here. Tried to keep it up, it would not stay up, as y'all saw. But yeah, we had a good run.